Alright, this is my second pair of Harbor Freight tongs. Like I said, they were 10 bucks for two of them. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can go ahead and make something that'll work with a railroad spike. That's the plan stand. First thing I'm going to do is upset these ends. Alright, got them upset. I nipped off the ends a little bit because they rolled over. But I'm going to go ahead and flatten those out a little and then bend them around this spike. I'll use the horn a little bit to flatten these things out. Looks a little scary at the moment. I'm sure it'll be fine when I get them all put back together. Don't that look like a scary mess? May look like a cluster, but hey, it ain't over till the fat lady sings. So we're getting there. Pull these reins back a little bit. We're getting there. Alright, the objective here now is to kind of stretch this out a little bit more up towards the joint. You can see where I'm going with it. And there's the final product. Harbor Freight tongs, railroad spike for handling spikes. Nice strong grip, just the right size. Got enough little grip there to do what you need to do. $5. Sucks to be poor.